Are you kidding me, bro? Happy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! Yeah, on the GoPro too. Let's go, guys. Rooster fish jumping on the line. Oh my gosh, look how fast they are. Woo! Get them on the surface for you, Blake, so you can get some good vid. Oh. Woo!
Come on, Capitan, let's go! Go!
Woo! 6 roosters this morning. 6 roosters this morning. So far, and there's still mucho más. Let's go down to this rod right there. We snapped a couple quick photos of this rooster. What a beauty. And we got him on his way. What a great fight from such a beautiful fish. And guys, Magdalena Bay, Mexico is such a special and unique fishery. Every single day we were out there, we had countless shots at sight fishing roosterfish on top water. Some of the most beautiful and clear water I've ever seen, where the desert meets the Pacific. An insane spot. Guys, check out Magdalena Sports Fishing if you're interested in getting your own trip going. I threw them in the description. And thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.